Hello, I'm Buddy with the Boys and Girls Club of Fillmore, and I'd like to share an awesome resource that we have had for a while at the club, and it's called typingtest.com, and the website basically is www.typingtest.com, and it has several different lessons the kids could use to learn how to type and get the words correctly. There's a 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute test. They have texts, sentences, and words, and then you just click on Start Typing, and it shows up a screen, and it shows the sentences you're going to type up, and there's like time that you've typed. It's a minute test, speed, and errors. So there's different ways of doing different cool things. There's typing practices, tricky keys, type rush race, typing game zone, type-tastic for schools, and tests for recruiters. So remember, this is an awesome skill to have when you're typing. Thank you once again for supporting the Boys and Girls Club.